They also wanted things that they could point out from a PR perspective and say, we have the latest and greatest technology that is able to track crime or be able to gather information to help in the assistance of solving a crime. Um, and the agenda was pretty clear. It needs to be done quickly. Governing bodies love one-time dollars, and that's what this was. They hate recurring costs. They hate
Hmm.
recurring liabilities. So this was $3 million to spend as quickly as you possibly can, get this piece of technology or this suite of technology in place.